Welcome to Aroopa Apps. Our low-code no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create an assessment in Aroopa Apps. Unlock the secret to seamless online assessments with Aroopa Apps. Create and manage online assessments effortlessly with Aroopa Apps. Designed for education, healthcare, and corporate training, our platform adapts to your specific needs, eliminating clunky interfaces in favor of a smooth, intuitive experience that keeps the focus on your content. Security is never a concern, thanks to top tier encryption protecting your data. Plus, our extensive customization options from branding to question types allows you to tailor every detail to match your unique style. Need assistance? Our support team is always ready to help. Don't settle for less. Elevate your online assessments with Aroopa Apps today. Sign in or sign up in Aroopa Apps. Log in using your credentials. To begin, open the dashboard menu, navigate to the Forms section and select All Forms. From there, click on Create Form and then choose the Assessment option. This will direct you to the form creation page where you can assign an appropriate name to your form. On this page, you will find a variety of tools available for building your form. For detailed guidance on how each tool functions, please refer to the instructional video titled How to Create a Form. In this example, I will use the input tool to capture the respondent's email ID, ensuring that the input type is set accordingly to match the data being collected. For adding assessment questions and answers, I will use the Select tool. Within the Select Tools field, located at the bottom right, click on the Edit button. Then, select the Answer Key field. This feature allows you to designate the correct answer, which enables the system to automatically determine whether a response is right or wrong once the form is submitted. In the Points field, enter the number of marks or scores you want to assign to that specific question. You can also customize the feedback displayed to users based on their responses by entering messages in the correct answer comments and wrong answer comments field. This process can be repeated for as many questions as needed to complete your assessment. After completing the form, add a Submit button. Then scroll to the top of the page and change the status from draft to active to make the form live. Adjust final settings as needed. Private restricts access to users other than the users in the tenant. Public allows anyone to access it, and Embed enables addition to any HTML page. For this example, I will set the form to public. Next, click on the Assessment Settings field and select the options you would like to include in your form. Enabling the Release Score option will automatically display the respondent's score immediately after they complete the assessment. If you would also like the answers to be revealed, you can enable the Release Answer option. Additionally, the Show Points toggle can be turned on to display the points allocated to each question directly beside the respective questions in the form. If you enable the option, "Do you want to set assessment status based on score?" the form will display a status message at the top of the submitted form based on the respondent's score. For instance, if the "If score less than" field is set to 3 and a user scores below 3, the form will display a status such as Poor Performance. If the score is above 3, it will display Pass as what is given in the setting. This status is visible to the organizer. Furthermore, in the Show Retake When Score Less Than field, you can define a score threshold that allows respondents to retake the assessment if they score below that value. You can also configure a custom message in the Message for Less Score field, which will be shown to the users who do not meet the required score. Once all the settings are configured, scroll to the top of the page and click the Save button. The system will generate a shareable link that can be distributed to your audience. This link leads to the sample form we just created. You will notice that the point values of each question are visible as the option to display points was enabled in the settings. I will now proceed to fill in a demo form for demonstration purpose. Finally, I will show you how the form status is displayed to the organizer. Once the audience submits the completed form, the status configured earlier in the settings will be shown. For example, if the score is less than 3, the form will display poor performance, and if the score is above 3, it will display pass. Thank you for watching our video on how to create an assessment in Aroopa Apps. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on using different tools in Aroopa Apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@aroopapps.com. Thank you.